Welcome back guys to another video. This is Steve Bricks here, and today I'll be doing another video on Roblox Studio, but it's gonna be a group rank door. So you guys could like use this group rank door for like industries or like restaurants where you only want like certain people in your group to be allowed in, or like any kind of like room that you want to be like have VIPs come in. So I decided to make another video on that. It's really simple, guys. All you gotta do is just watch this video. I'll post the script in the description, or you could just follow me. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to create a new game, a new base plate. It's just going to be for this tutorial. And let's get a part over here. You guys could see over here, you click on it, and what we want to do is I want to like kind of like build it a little. So I guess here it is. And then after that, I'm just gonna like build my little door frame, I guess. Yeah, see, so we can make this that color, and then so yeah, we have our little door over here. You know, I'm just gonna like stretch it out a little. So here's our new door, and what you want to do, guys, is you want to anchor all this. Be sure to anchor it so you won't have like a dropping everywhere kind of part. So yeah, you know what, I'm gonna name this part the group door. See there. And then what you want to do, guys, you want to go to Starter GUI and Explorer and press the new button and go to local script. And what I want to do, guys, is I'm just going to name this a group rank door script. And what I want to do, guys, is you want to follow me. So let's do local player would equal game dot players dot local player, and then this one would be local. I would say door would equal game, which is the whole game, dot workspace, which is the workspace right here, and dot group door. You guys could like position it anywhere you want, or you have to like, so for this name you have to have this name. So like say my name is group door, so I will have to put a group door over here. And also what I would want to do is I want to do local group ID, and would equal, I don't know, whatever group ID you guys want to paste in. You know what, guys, I'm just gonna quickly get a group ID over here. So the group ID would be in the URL over here, and you would have to copy that. And what you want to do, guys, is you want to paste it in here. And otherwise you want to do local minimum rank in your group. So for example, I'll just do the owner rank, which is 255. You guys could do whatever you want, but for now I'm just going to do 255. So now I'm going to make the script. So if player dot get rank in group, and I would say group ID in the brackets greater than equal sign, and then minimum rank over here as the variable, then enter. Oh, there's a mistake there, player. And I would say, so door dot can collide would equal false, and I would do else door dot can collide would equal true. So that's it, guys. That's everything for the group rank door. So what you want to do, guys, is you want to test it. Let's go test it. And see, guys, whatever that game pass is, you have that little door. It's a little bit too big, but let's see if it works. And oh, it does. It actually does work. So I really hope you guys like this video. Be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.